Hey guys, in this tutorial video, I am going to chat to you about this site health status, this notification that pops up on your WordPress dashboard. So you might have had this popped up and it says that it should be improved. So let's have a look at what it says on my website and look at the 5 items that we need to review in order to have a healthy WordPress website. So let's click on this and see exactly what it says. Okay, so the first one is a critical issue and it says that there are 1 or more required modules are missing. So if we click on this drop-down box, we get a bit more information and basically it's saying there's a couple of modules in our PHP that are not active and that we need to actually add onto our PHP. So it says the optional module DOM is not installed or has been disabled. So that's the DOM one. We've also got Imagic and the required GD is not installed and has been disabled. So what we'll need for this is our cPanel details. So you can get that from your host provider. So we'll simply go and get that, log into our cPanel. We'll then come down, scroll down to here where it says select PHP version. And if you don't know how to change your PHP version, there is a video and I'll make sure I link to that video. So what exactly are we looking for? We're looking for Imagic, so we're going to click on the Imagic box. Then we are going to look for GD, which was another one, and the last one was DOM. So let's get DOM. There we go. And we can kind of refresh our site health and just have a look to see that that has gone away, that critical issue. Okay, so one of our critical issues are gone. We still have some improvements to do. So the first one is it says you should remove any inactive plugins. The next one, you should remove any inactive themes. And then redirect and not all recommended security headers are installed. So let's have a look at that first one. There's a couple of plugins we have and that we are not actually using. So we'll come to plugins here on the left and we'll just see what plugins we're exactly using on the website, and then we'll actually deactivate and delete any that we aren't using. So for example, we can just go ahead and we just need to make sure that we're never going to be using any of these plugins again. So we can select those plugins and we can just delete and apply that, click OK. Okay, so that will just take a couple of minutes to delete. Okay, so that has all been deleted. We can come back to our dashboard. We can check our site health again to see what other notifications we have and what we can amend on our website. We can already see we've moved into a good. So the next one is you should remove any inactive themes. So it says I've got 5 installed. They're all up to date, but we've got 2 inactive ones. So we come to appearance, we come to themes, we can see which ones are installed. So we definitely need this Beaver Builder theme here and the child one. And then we're going to keep the 21 theme. I always recommend keeping the standard one. So we'll come to theme details, we'll delete that one and delete this one. So I always recommend having, the basic WordPress theme and then the one that you are currently using. So we can come back to our dashboard. Let's check that site health again. Okay, great. We only have 2 recommended improvements. So is there 301 HT access redirect is not enabled. We can do so by coming to settings, SSL here. And this is a plugin I have on my website called Really Simple SSL. And I can look at these remaining tasks here. And we've got here the enable 301 HT redirect. Just a note here, before you enable this HT redirect, make sure you know how to regain access to your website. Okay, so we can tick that, we can click save. Okay, and that has been done. Come back to our home and we can check our site health again. Okay, so one last thing, not all recommended security headers are installed. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to come to our settings, go back to SSL where we were before, and what we're going to do is just make sure the stop editing the HT access file is on, and the FireMix content fixer with different methods is also on. And if you don't want any notifications from really simple SSL, you can also switch that on. Click Save. We'll come back to our site health status, and our health is perfect. You can see we've got a great job. Everything is running smoothly here. Okay, so that is the process of reviewing the site health for your WordPress website and keeping your WordPress website in tip-top shape.